Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can learn to invest as Warren Buffett does. I have read lots and lots of books to collect these 5 golden principles. So let's start. Here are the 5 major investment principles of Warren Buffett. Investment principle number 1, never lose money. You have to understand that successful investors doesn't only look at the return on investment, they are also careful about return off investment, meaning how safe is this investment going to be in 5 years, 10 years, and so on. They only invest in those opportunities which they understand very well. They always have many opportunities on the table, but they refuse them and only invest in what they really understand. Investment principle number 2, invest on long-term value investment. This might not sound very sexy, but this is what Warren Buffett has been preaching for a very long time now, and after 40 years you can see his wealth compounding every year. Successful investors doesn't change a lot. They do not focus on the daily ups and downs in the marketplace. They mostly focus on long-term value investing. Investment principle number 3, invest like you are buying the entire company. Instead of thinking of buying some shares or buying some stocks, imagine that you are actually buying the entire company. If you think from that perspective, you could avoid a lot of hype, and you would not get so excited, and won't make mistakes in that excitement. Investment principle number 4, invest in companies with competitive advantages. Successful investors divide the world into 2 groups. Number 1 is great businesses, and number 2 is everything else. They look for simple businesses with consistent performances and favorable long-term prospects. So what makes a business great? Number 1, great businesses are simple. It's simple to understand their business model. What do they do? How do they make money? Like Coca-Cola, we all know how do they make money. Number 2, a great business has brand recognition. When you think about cola, you think about Coca-Cola. When you think about blue jeans, you think about Lewis. When you think about coffee, you might think about Starbucks. And when you think about fast food, maybe the first name that comes into your mind is McDonald's. The businesses that have brand recognition, they are the great businesses. Investment principle number 5, keep cash in hand. One of the major things all the successful investors do is they keep a good amount of cash in their hand. So when a good opportunity came, they can take advantage of it. For example, the best time to buy a stock is when they say market correction, or when there is a bear market. When you know there is blood everywhere, that's the time when you can buy good companies and good shares at discounts. But most people, because of fear, they miss the opportunity. These were the 5 major principles most successful investors work on. Now you are not going to time it to go in at the very bottom of the market and get out at the top. But if you follow these principles, then the likelihood of being a successful investor is much higher. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment below if you want to see more videos on investment strategies. See you till the next time.